warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Najwa Alkrani Putri, NIM 2513283. I first semester student in the pharmacy study program at Muhammadiyah University of Palopo. Today, I want to share an unforgettable experience from December 13 to 14, 2024, a meaningful vacation with high school friends in Nebuba. That I will always remember. This is one of the final exam assessment for my English course, lectured by Mr. Teacher Nasriandi, SPD M. Hum. The end of the year 1/13/2024 was truly an epic moment for me. One December 13, 2024, before the new year, my high school friends, we were like family, went off vacation together to Nebuba. The place was truly extraordinary, the banks of a calm river, but the water flowed rapidly among the steady tears. Then Providence said. The sound of the trickling water mixed with the gentle breeze made my heart feel so cool. We left in a group car on the afternoon of the 13th and sang along the road while excitedly discussing plans until we finally arrived and immediately checked into a simple rental house by the river. The house was made of wood, had a spacious terrace that directly faced the river, and the house was two-story. The view was very good for taking photos. Furthermore, as soon as we arrived, we wasted no time in preparing the ingredients for the barbecue that night. Fresh chicken, sweet corn, local spice like sambal mata, sweet soy sauce, and vegetables for the accompaniment. We divided the tasks among ourselves. Some cleaning the chicken, some cleaning the corn until it was shiny. Some chicken rice and prepared the charcoal in the open air by the river. While we were preparing, the conversation started to get lively, gossiping about plans for the new year, 2025. The atmosphere immediately warmed up like bake at home if we thought it the was ready late afternoon. Arriving at night, the barbecue officially began. The fire burned brightly, illumination the river bank, fragrant smoke rising into the star-filled night sky. The chicken was grilling until the skin was crispy, but the mouth was tender and juicy. The calm was current slightly to maximize its sweetness. We sat in a circle on soft woven mats, eating together, sharing the chicken pieces while saying, "Wow, this is really delicious. Have some more, or your gum is burned, but it's still delicious." Our stomachs were full, our hearts were happy, accompanied by the sound of the river that never stopped flowing as the night gray cloud. After a hearty meal at 8 o'clock, we didn't wait to sit arrived and went straight to karaoke. One of your friends brought an acoustic guitar, and we took turns singing Indonesia hits, from romantic pop to dangdut koplo. It was so much fun. Some danced like their idols. Others clapped and filmed with their phones from various angles. Our voice mixing and iconic for upstream. We laughed constantly when someone got the lyric wrong or output for. And the videos quickly went viral on our class WhatsApp group. After singing our hearts out for almost an hour, we reconvened around 9 o'clock, relaxing over hot coffee from a thermos. We started talking about the future. I want to study pharmacy next year. Where do you want to go during the 2025 holidays? What hobbies do you want to try in the new year? We talked about other interesting topics. Suddenly, someone made a silly joke and everyone burst out tackling their statement hardening. From there, the atmosphere turned into a deep talk together. We share deeper story about our feelings strike 2024. Apologizing if announcement had ever announced or misunderstood. Use in class, you're in the chat group. I'm sorry for being annoying before. I'm so happy to have classmates like you all. Some people said I feared tears. Warm hikes in the dim atmosphere. Conversations until very late at night, heavy sleepy, as bad relieved hearts for all. The bonds of class friendship grow stronger before we part ways to our respective future in 2025. Finally, decided to sleep after all the activities were finishing and divided the rooms in the rented house. But still, whispered like story until they really fell asleep. On the morning of December 14, wake up around 6 in the morning. Break and birds are chirping in the fridge. Breakfast friend rice together plus hot instant noodles and French eggs. Whilst chatting, lately last night, watchful hug, deep confirmation made me relieved. Then at night in the morning, we decided to take a dip in the river together. The water was so cold and refreshing on our bodies in the cool morning weather. Splashing around like little kids playing in the water, screaming with joy when they got hit by the cold splashes, while playing in the water for more than an hour, taking lots of photos with phone. Taking silly group pose on the big rocks, candid shot of you splashing in the water. Your phone gallery was immediately filled with memories of Nebuba. This is for the class Instagram story, okay? At 11 o'clock in the morning, after packing up and taking final photo in front of the rental house and by the river, we each drove home, singing our promise next December 2025. We'll meet her again. December 13 and 14, 2024. We're truly unforgettable. I saw Fokarin with my classmates in Nebuba. Before the New Year filled with preference for resting calm chicken, eating together, karaoke, exciting story about the future. Joking and laughing out loud, deep conversation, apologizing until late at night. Bathing in the river and taking exciting photo a medical moment before we find ways to eruptions. Every time I look at photo or video from the days, I immediately remember the warmth of Nebuba as if it happened just yesterday. Last, with that, I conclude this day of truly unforgettable journey shared with my dearest classmates. This moment of Nebuba, filling with laughter, heartfelt conversations, and unbreakable bonds, remain etched in my heart forever. Thank you for joining me in reliving these cherished memories. I apologize if there are any mistakes in the words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.